So how to fix Facebook Messenger messages problem? Hello guys, so first thing, go to the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, now you have to wait a few seconds right here and then scroll all the way down until you find the Facebook Messenger. Click on it, click on this force stop, and then go to the data usage. Make sure that all these four options right here are enabled. Go back and click on storage, click on clear cache and go back. Now, or what you want to do next is make sure that your Wi-Fi or the network that you are connected to is working well. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.